Hello guys and welcome to yet another video. Today I am going to be teaching you how to clean your anime figurines with magic erasers. Now magic erasers. We all know magic erasers has been recommended many times on the internet as a good way for you to clean your anime figurines, right? And today we're gonna find out whether or not that is a good thing. Now I actually know how effective these things are actually, so there's a surprise on that. So I'm just going to show you guys how effective these things can be when it comes to cleaning up your action figure, your anime figures. So I got with me today is this anime figurine. This is a K-On price figure that I got on the internet, and it is quite dirty, as you can see there. There are some, you know, marks, paint transfers there, and very dirty things here. I got this thing used off Book Off, so obviously with anything that came from Book Off, it's gonna come dirty like that. So yeah, I am going to use this magic erasers and try to clean it. Now the magic eraser brand I got is this one, which is the Gans Mini Eraser Magic Sponge Cleaner. This is a very well-known brand in near me and is very effective. But if you do not have this access to you, then you can just use a more local brand near your area, like Mr. Clean, for example. You know, easy clean without detergent, just to use it. Nice English. So anyway, let's find out if this thing is effective or no. These are magic erasers, by the way, because it says there mini eraser magic sponge cleaner, so it's gotta be magic erasers. I already used one of this, meaning I already know the effectiveness of it, but it's just like one figure. I actually used it on this figure over here, this figure of Taiga, and previously she got like a mark down here, and then I just like use this to rub it off, rub that paint off her, and it just goes away. So it's very effective on Taiga at least, but I don't know about any other figure. So this particular stain over here, this is really difficult to remove. I already used many detergents and stuff like that, you know, to remove that stain, and it didn't work. So I really hope that this magic eraser will do something about it. So let's try it out. So what I need to do is simple. You just hold it like this and just rub until you hear that chink 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 sound. Yeah. Whoo. Take a look at that. The mark is gone. Yeah. Yeah. So there you go. The mark is gone. Completely gone. You just give it a little bit rub like that, and it's good to go. This thing is bolted down there, so I cannot remove the figure from her base. Use it down there as well. I really hope that I don't snap anything, but then again, I'm probably going to. But then again, though, this is just price figurine, so I'm not missing a lot. Collection. Gonna do the same thing to the base as well to make it look more presentable. So yeah, we already got that stain gone from her socks. Let's do the other one. That one, I guess. This one is a bit easier because I really hope that I don't snap anything though, man. This is like one of the worst things when you're cleaning your figurines with these things, is that you might snap something off, and you don't want it to happen to any of your figures, right? Yeah, you have to like really get in there, and you're gonna hear that noise a lot, because that's like the eraser doing its magic. It is called magic eraser after all. Yeah. And boom. Wait, the mark is still there. Get rid of that. Come on. Oh. What the heck? Anything. Yeah. So yeah, that works. Her leg is sparkling clean now. There's like this weird thing over here, but there's more like a sculpt error. It is a price figure, you don't really expect a lot from it. So let's try to clean this one up. Let's see what do we get. I really hope I don't snap anything. Okay, that one is stubborn. Maybe it is not. I'm gonna try off camera and try to wipe it out. Ooh, that is stubborn. That mark on her apron is really stubborn. That is not going away anytime soon. I'm just gonna try to rub it off. It is working a bit. Is it fun to see me struggle off camera? So, you know, how about if you guys enjoy these figurines while I'm doing the dirty to this girl? No, I'm doing the cleaning on this girl, not the dirty. If dirty, I'm gonna make it worse, right? It faded a bit. Yeah. But there's definitely an improvement. Now I'm just gonna clean the rest of this figurine. Off camera, well, you guys won't be able to see what action is because it's almost impossible for me to do this, to try to clean this figure on screen. Freaking hell. Oh, this is nasty. This thing's really stubborn. Interesting. I wonder if the green part is like a part of paint. Or that works a bit. Any other punch marks I need to worry about? Nope. Yeah, so yeah, that kind of works. The stain on her feet that I tried to wash many times with normal detergent, the one's gone. And her apron, right? There's still some mark there, but it needs like a really good scrubbing if you want to get rid of that thing. But overall, yeah, she looks really good. Now, I wonder if any other my figurines need more of that scrubbing. This one seems to be perfect. She's pretty dusty though. I spotted something there. I had to get rid of it. Yeah, by the way, as you could see, when you are cleaning with this magic eraser, for some reason it creates this white flecks all over, white dust all over. I don't know what that all about. There's like some stain there. Ooh, this is, oh no, man, it's not stain. You can just like wipe off with my finger. So yeah, let's try to wipe this one off. Give her a thorough fucking Birkin, yeah. Have to clean her up a bit, polish her a bit, yeah. There's like some weird stuff there. Maybe I can use that to show you guys how effective this thing is. You know, because I don't think that this video is doing so well because the stain that I showed you guys is not exactly a major stain. It's just like a paint issue or something, like a trade paint or something. So you have to really get in there to remove the stains, but yeah. Yeah, it works a bit. See? Before this we have that the gold thing there on the skirt, but now no more. She's 100% fine now. This is a very decent figurine. I kind of like the way that her face looks, but unfortunately the detail on everything else, like her thigh, her hair, is just lacking. But she is a very nice figurine, even though she's a prize. Yeah. So yeah, that concludes my video. If you want to remove any stubborn stains on your figurines, just use the magic eraser that I showed you, especially this one. If you came across it, well, this one works for me, but I don't know. You can just use Mr. Clean or something, maybe that'll work. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you again next time with another one. Ta-ta!